So this is Ronan, and he has the hiccups. Oh. I think the look on his face clearly tells you his opinion about the hiccups. Oh, we hate the hiccups so much. We hate those hiccups. Oh no! No, you have to breathe, sweetie. We can't commit suicide now. Stop trying to smother yourself. I know the hiccups are terrible, but they're not that bad. Look at you rolling your head over. Are you trying to get away from the camera? Are you trying to get away from the camera in shame of the hiccups? Mom, I can't believe you're videotaping me having the hiccups. Oh. Okay, I won't humiliate